the questions will be asked. Okay, now look at this question. The first one is with respect to ratio and proportion. Okay, throughout the concept we'll be using ratio and proportion, but this question is with respect to 50% profit. So here they are concentrating on profit and loss. So the applications of profit and loss will also come in the picture. Look at the question. They are asking, find the ratio in which sugar at 30 per kg needs to be mixed with sugar at rupees 40 per kg. So the resultant mixture can be sold at 49.5 per kg with 50% profit. All right. How can you solve this? Can anyone suggest me an idea? We know the cost price of lower value, cost price of higher value, right? Cost price of lower value is 30 per kg and cost price of higher value is 40 per kg. But the cost price of mixture is unknown, right? The cost price of mixture is unknown. So price of lower value is 30 rupees, price of higher value is 40 rupees, but I don't know the price of mixture. So they have given selling price of the mixture. Selling price of mixture. This is the cost price of sugar. Here this is cost price of mixture. Only if we know the cost price we will be able to find out the quantity, but there they have given selling price. Find out the cost price of the mixture. Selling price is 49.5, profit percentage is 50%, right? Find out the cost price. You know the cost price formula, right? So it is 100 over 150 into 49.5. I'm so sorry, it is 49.5, right? So it becomes 495 by 15. It is 1 time 15 3s are 3s are, so 15 into 33 is 495. So cost price of the mixture will become 33. We already got the answer. Aditya says 7:3. Who's this common man? There is one person who is common man here. Nitesh says 77:3. So the cost price of the mixture, we got to know it is 33. Now from this we'll get to know what is the ratio, right? From this we'll get to know what is the ratio. So the ratio will be cost price here, so the difference will be 7. So quantity of lower value is 7 units is to this will be 3. So quantity of higher value is 3. So QL over QH. That is the question, from lower value to higher value. All right. So the value will be 7:3. Clear? 7:3. Now this is with respect to profit and loss, and here do not consider this value as cost price because it is sold. The resultant mixture is being sold, all right, with 50% profit. Now if you want to verify, right, find out 50% of 33. What is 50% of 33? 50% is nothing but half. So you need to be very careful with percentage as well. All right. So what I would suggest is, if you are facing difficulties in solving, I would suggest you go with 10%, 5%, and 1%. Whenever you are finding any percentage values, find out with these three values so that it will be very easy to solve. All right. Now they're asking 15%, sorry, 50%, right? Just take half of it. So you need to know the fractional values as well, right? So half of 33 is 16.5. right? So cost price is 33, 50% is the profit, which is 16.5. So add it together, you will get the selling price, right? So profit is 16.5. So selling price should be 49.5. All right. So 50% is nothing but 16.5. So together it is called as 49.5, which is the selling price of the mixture. Remember, this in between value should be cost price. Clear? Hope everyone understood. Now here you need to understand one point. The cost price of the mixture will always be in between the lower and higher value. The cost price of the mixture will always be in between lower value and higher value. Remember this point because you will use this concept in applications of advanced level questions. All right. So the answer will be 7:3. Okay, we'll go to the next question. They have given this question now. I have 50 kgs of wheat. Now they have given total quantity of wheat. All right. So one part, okay, some part I am selling it at 10% and remaining at 30%, earning a profit of 22% on the whole. Find how many kgs are sold at lower price. Here, lower price is nothing but 10%, right? Higher price is nothing but 30%. Simple understanding. If it is 100 rupees, lower price is nothing but 110, 10% of that 110. Then higher price is nothing but 30%, which is 130. Something like that. Understand that. Now they are asking, find how many kgs are sold at lower price. Aditya says it is 20 kgs. Understand what will be the answer. Lower price will be 10%. Consider 10% itself. Okay. This will be the value which is coming under lower price. All right. So this is the value of higher price. Or if you want to use per kg 100 rupees, then lower price will be 10% of it. Higher price will be 30% of it. Then profit will be 22% of it. Directly take 10, 30 and 22 rupees. Something like that. Okay. So here higher price will be 30% and mixture on the whole it is mean value. Okay, on the whole is nothing but mean value, which is 22%. So what will be the quantity of lower price over quantity of higher price? So this will be 8 is to 10 minus 22 is 12. So this is nothing but 4 2s are 4 3s are. So this is the quantity of lower is to higher. Now from 50 kgs, they want to know what is the weight of lower price value. Lower price is nothing but 2 units, right? So it is 2 out of total units is 5. So you know the ratio concepts usually, right? Basic approach. So 2 units out of total value is 10 kgs. So 10 into 2 is 20 kgs. So Aditya is right. 10 is to 2, 10 into 2 is 20 kgs. I'm so sorry, there was a mosquito. Okay, we'll go on to the next question. Hope everyone understood this. Yes, do you want me to explain once again? Does anyone want me to explain once again? Hope we can go ahead, right? Okay. We'll go on to the next question. Now the question is, a mixture of milk with 16 liters of water is worth 75 paise per liter. But pure milk is worth rupees 2.25 per liter. Now they're asking how much milk is in the mixture. So whenever you are approaching with this, and if they have given the price of milk, all right, always remember the best approach is consider cost price of water is rupees 0. Cost price of water is rupees 0. So this is what the concept that I was trying to explain in the examples at the beginning. All right. Hope you all got it. So consider cost price of water is 0 and tell me how much milk is in the mixture. Approach with the same concept and tell me the answer. We know the cost price of the pure milk is 2.25 and mixture of milk is 75 paise per liter. So the mixture consists of 75 paise per liter. Tell me what is the answer? They're asking how much milk is in the mixture. Shakunt says it is 1.5. How is it 1.5, Shakunt? If it is 16 liters of water, then it will be just 1.5 liters of milk. Huh? No, they're just asking how much milk is in the mixture. They're asking the quantity of milk in the mixture. Anyone? All right. So now we know pure milk is costing 2.25 per liter, right? So cost of water is usually zero. Cost of water is zero, right? So what is the mixture? Mixture is 75 paise. 75 paise in the sense in rupee value it will be 0.75, right? So what will be the ratio? This is quantity of water. Here we have taken the price of water. Here we have taken price of milk, lower higher. All right, so quantity of water is to quantity of milk. Now quantity of water will be 0.75, 1.5. So this will be 75 plus 150, it will be 225. So it is 1.5, and quantity of milk will be 0.75. All right, so if you want to take quantity of milk over quantity of water, that also can be possible. Okay, so quantity of milk will be, this will be 1 time, this will be 2 times, so the ratio will be 2:1 with respect to water is to milk. Okay, milk is to water will be 1:2. All right, now this is the question. Now what are they telling? In the mixture, the mixture might be x unit. Okay, in the mixture 16 liters itself is water. Okay, 16 liters itself is water. So we know what is the unit of water here, quantity of the water, right? So quantity of water is 2 units, which is 16 liters, right? If 16 liters is 2 units, we want to know what is milk, right? Milk is what? Milk is 1 unit. So what is 1 unit? If 2 liters is 16, if 2 units is 16 liters, 1 liter will be, 1 unit will be 8 liters, right? So answer will be 8 liters of milk in the mixture. All right, so x is the total quantity of the mixture. Mixture is in the ratio milk is to water in 1:2. All right, so here we know just quantity of water, that is 16 liters. If it is 16 liters, what should be 1 unit? 1 unit is nothing but 8 liters. So this is milk, this is water. Hope everyone understood. It's not 5.33 or 1.5 or 5.4. Nitesh, can you tell me how you got 5.4? Any different method of approach? Can you just tell me why it is 5.3 and 5.44? Hope you all understood this. I'll explain once again. Don't worry. I'll explain once again. Now we know, I already told you, cost price of water is 0 because it is free. All right, so cost price of water is 0, or I'll just take milk itself first. If you want, we'll go with milk first. So we'll just take milk, which is 2.25 per liter, rupees 2.25 per liter. Water is 0, so mixture is 75 paise per liter. Okay, it means 0.75 rupees, right? So we need to find out what is the quantity of milk, quantity of water in the mixture, right? So that is 0.75 here, 0.75 is to we have a container which is a mixture. Okay, so we do not know the quantity, let it be x, let it be x liters. Now this mixture consists of both milk and water, both milk and water. Now we got to know the ratio of milk and water in the mixture, that is 1:2. All right, now they have given the question, a mixture of milk with 16 liters of water, right? So in the mixture we know water is 16 liters, water is 16 liters. So if the water is 16 liters, we want to know 1 unit of milk, right? Obviously it is 8 liters, obviously it is 8 liters. Hope everyone understood this. Okay, okay, I understood now. That's what, if that is the case, it will be 1 over 3 is 0.33 into 16. 16 3 is 48, so 4.8 will be something value. So if you subtract, you will get that answer. Aditya says he thought mixture is 16 liters. Ritika, I hope you understood this. Clear? Hope everyone understood this. So 8 is to 16. So 8 liters and 16 liters. All right. We'll go on to the next question. Now the question is this with respect to the concept. Milk and water are mixed in container A in the ratio 1 is to 2 and container B 4 is to 5. In what ratio must the mixture from A and B should be taken so that the new mixture is in the ratio 2 is to 3? All right. Now they're asking, we have container A which consists of milk and water. Okay. Milk by water in the ratio 1 over 2. So container B is also containing milk and water, but it's in different quantities, which is 4 is to 5. This is container B. So we have the mixture container, which is again milk and water ratio is different. That is 2 over 3. So both are mixed. Okay, both are mixed. So if both are mixed, in what quantity should they be mixed? Quantity of A, quantity of B. All right. Now, to understand this, the ratio are different. Okay. So we want to take, just consider one commodity. We'll just take milk there. Or if you want to take water, you can take water. Okay. So what is the quantity of milk in container A? So it is 1 over total quantity is 3, right? 1 over 2 plus 1. So you know how to take this. We just were taking milk quantity, right? So milk will be just one part out of total quantity is 1 plus 2. Sorry, 1 plus 2 here. So the total quantity of milk in first container is 1 is to 3. Similarly, in container B, container A is 1 is to 3. Container B will be 4 over total quantity, which is 4 over 9. 4 over 9 there. All right. Similarly, in the mixture, the ratio will be 2 over 5. All right. Now we need to just find out the quantity being mixed. Okay. You can consider quantity of A and quantity of B. Now just do the subtraction and tell me the values quickly. Do the subtraction. So 2 by 5 minus, sorry, 4 by 9 minus 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Take the differences. Akanksha says it is 4 is to 9. Check it out, check it out. So here it is 1 over 3, 4 over 9 and 2 over 5. Aditya says 2 is to 3. Akanksha, verify which is the right answer. Aditya says it is 2 is to 3. Here I could suggest you one tip. Instead of taking complicated subtraction, that is with respect to fraction, convert this fraction into a whole number. How will you convert? Just, I want to take out the denominator, right? Just find the LCM of denominators. Just find the LCM of denominators. I think it is 3, 9 and 5. So 1 time 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45, right? So just multiply by 45. Take the LCM of denominators so that you can convert the fraction into whole numbers, right? So just multiply by 45. So what will be the new numbers there? 3 into 15 is 45. So the value will be 15 here. 9 into 5 times is 45. So 5 into 4 is 20. So here 5 ones are 5 nines are, then 2 into 9 is 18. See, it is verified, right? So the price will be the quantity or any value between lower and higher will be the mixture, right? Now just take the difference, you will get the answer. So answer will be 2 is to 3. Superb. Answer is 2 is to 3. Answer will be 2 is to 3. Akanksha, check out your answer. It is not 4 is to 9. Pallavi, you also, please check your answer. Hope you understood. If you are if it's very difficult in converting this fraction, I mean taking the differences of the fraction, just convert that fraction into a whole number by taking the LCM of denominators. So if you take LCM of denominators, 3, 9 and 5, right? 3, 9 and 5. So 3 will be common. So 1 and 3, 5 is there. So 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 3 is 45. All right. Now if you want to verify, you can easily verify it. We know quantity from A is 2 units, quantity of B is 3 units. So that the mixture will be in the ratio 2 is to 3, right? So from quantity A, all right, so from container A, we are taking 1/3 of the milk, right? We are taking that is nothing but milk quantity is 1 is to 3, right? So this is in terms of 2 units. Okay, so into 2, if you take 2 by 3, this is nothing but 0.667. Now from quantity B, if you take, what will be the value? I'm just taking the milk value. So from quantity B, if I take milk, it is 4 over 5, 4 over 9, right? So 4 over 9 into 3. So 3 ones are 3 into 3 times. So this will be 1.333. Okay, so what if you add it totally together? You will get the quantity of milk in the mixture, quantity of milk in the mixture. So it will be 2 approximately, right? Now if you take water, all right, so water will be 2 is to 3, right? So this is with respect to milk. Now with respect to water, so from container A, water will be how much? 2 over 3, right? So I am mixing 2 units. So 2 into 2 is 4 by 3. So it is nothing but 1.33. So from B, I am mixing how much unit? From container B, it is 5 over 9. 5 over 9 into 3. That is quantity B is 3. So if you multiply this 3 by 5, this is what will be the answer? 5 by 3 is 3 ones are 3, so it is 1.66. Okay, so 1.66. If you add this approximately, it will be 2.99. So this is 3. So quantity of water. So in the mixture, quantity of milk over quantity of water is 2 is to 3. So according to the question, we proved it. All right. So this is how you will generate the proof. It is matching with 2 is to 3 in the mixture. Hope everyone understood this, right? Guys, hope everyone understood. Consider any one value. If you take water, you will get it as 2 by 3 and 5 by 9. And similarly, in the mixture, it would become 3 by 5. Okay, if you just take quantity of water in each value. Clear, guys? Should I explain once again? Anyone? Guys, anyone? This is just a basic problem. Next will be advanced level problem. There you need to approach that. I think we can go ahead, right? Okay, we'll go ahead. We'll go on to next with the intermediate problems. We'll solve first intermediate and then jump to advanced level problems. Now the question is, a milkman who cheats, Rohit says, what is the answer? Answer is 2 is to 3, Rohit. Answer is 2 is to 3. We got it right in the end. That is 15, 20 and 18. So the quantity that has to be taken in the ratio is, this is quantity of container A, quantity of container B. So this will be 2 is to 3. So if both the milk is taken from quantity A in the value 2 units and from container B it is 3 units. So the answer is 2 is to 3. All right. We'll go on to the next question. I was discussing this. A milkman who cheats tells everyone that he sells the milk at cost price, but he mixes the water and makes a profit of 33.33%. All right. Now, what is the percentage of water in the mixture? This is the, I will just first explain the traditional method. You can also approach the shortcut trick. Okay.